Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in. I mixed up more than 8 ounces. There's probably 10 in here in this cup. I'm going to dust these pieces with some mica powder. This one is Resin Art Pigments. It's an emerald green. I only have 2 of her colors. I have this one and the apple green. And I think I bought an interference green from her too. Oh, I can't wait, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, that's enough for the green. This one is Color Cottage Blushing Pink. This one is Heavenly Blue from Color Cottage. Now we're going to come in with some sapphire. I'm almost gone, guys. Are we ready? Are we ready, Freddy? My cup's too full. Okay, I'm going to cover these up and we will come back tomorrow night. Time for the big reveal. Let's do the blue one. There we go. Oh, I got some air bubbles trapped and I didn't see them. Well, for the first time, I guess I did okay. I don't know how to take these off. I like that variegation. Doesn't fit. Oh, there we go. That's cool. Oh. Now let's do the pretty heart. Oh, wow. Another, I don't know. Nope, those aren't air bubbles. This one turned out okay. Pretty. Oh, look at that. I love this Color Cottage blushing pink. Has an iridescent look to it. I can't. It's funny how you don't know how to put the mold back in place. Very pretty. Look at the, can you see that? Can you see those lines in there? Lines of pigment? They kind of floated up and made a 4-star point. Come on. Oh, there's a little ball on top. I never noticed that. That is so cool. Oh, this is pretty. I think the next time I do this, I'll just add pigment to the resin itself. Look at, I got 3 little trinket boxes. Aren't they adorable? So cute. I'll have to put these up on Instagram and my Facebook page and get them up for sale. These are just so cute. Yeah. Thank you, anonymous donor. I so appreciate this. This is like Christmas. Thanks. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned because I'll make some more of the other pieces. Yay! All right. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Which one do you like best? Which design and which color? These are so adorable. I can't get over how cute they are. All right. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.